this is a trap, and when water drains into it, the water level stays right there, so you don't get sewer gases coming back up into all your fixtures. But every fixture will have one.
So toilets have that too?
Yeah, but it's built into the toilet.
Oh, okay.
So if you've ever seen like how water sits inside of your toilet, that's
why.
Yeah.
Do showers have that too? And like refrigerators with water lines and stuff?
Not refrigerators.
Okay. But do
Toilets, bathtubs, sinks.
bathtub sinks, dishwashers?
No, because those drain into the sink.
Those drain into the sink?
Yep.